This video tutorial is to get you set up on the Big History website. If at some point you choose to take on the independent study track, you're going to need to know how to do this. This document that I will be referring to today can be found at this URL. So if you just type in goo.gl/EMD, capital F, capital X, capital Q, you should get to this document and follow along or click on links rather than do it based on what I say here. So anyway, what you'll notice is that the video tutorial link right now is blank. That's because I'm making the video as I speak and the link is not yet available. But by the time you get to this document, it will be there. Okay, so priority number one is to go to the Big History site. You can simply do a Google search on Big History Project, which if you do, you'll get to somewhere. Every browser is a little bit different based on your search histories and such. But basically, you'll get to one of two places, either here or here. Okay. If you get here, you want to just click on the Go to School site option right there. That will bring you to this page. And you want to scroll down just a touch and click on Join Our Class under the Students section. Okay. And, oh, sorry, not sure why I just did that. Sorry about that. And when you do that, all right, back to here. When you click there, it will bring you to a screen that says, enter the classroom code in order to join our classroom. That classroom code is right here, the PGK71U. So you're going to want to copy that and not there, sorry. Paste it right here. And when you do, then click continue. So you want to, wrong one. Let's see. Oh, there it is. So paste that in there, click continue. And now you're going to get to this little registration screen and you just fill this in. First name, last initial. Your email is your school email. Okay, so this is going to be like a number that is like 1456 whatever at vistausd.org. Okay, vistausd.org is all of them, guys. So obviously here you're going to use whichever number is your student number, but all of them are vistausd.org, not .com, .org. Okay, and then lastly, excuse me, you need to enter a password. Now, as you see here, the requirements for the password are a little bit strict. So you don't have to do this, but if you want to, you can use this password right here. What I have here is just a quick note that basically says people have struggled to come up with a password like on the fly that meets the criteria. So this right here, Vista, like capital V, Vista USD 17 with the number sign, that'll pass. Okay, so if you want to copy that and paste that into the password, okay, you can do that and then confirm it with the same one, totally fine. You can also come up with your own, totally fine. Okay, but just in case it's become like some people have struggled with it, they keep like having to redo it. So if you want to just avoid all that and use that password that I've created, by all means do so, but then maybe change it once you get logged in and a little bit familiar with the site. Anyway, once you do that, you're going to click register. Now, excuse me, you should notice this over here, Vista High School, my name. If for some reason you have something else there, you want to double check that you put the correct classroom code in, because if it doesn't say Vista High School here, you probably put it in wrong. So just note that. You're going to click register when you've completed all of this, at which point you will get an email sent to you within just a few minutes. So you're going to need to go to your Gmail. Okay, so from any Google screen, okay, you can click on those that 3x3 kind of square boxes, click on mail, and you're going to go to your Gmail and you will see, I'm not going to show you my email, but you will see an email from the Big History Project, and there will be a link on there that has you click it, and you will get to a screen that essentially, let me go back up here, that essentially gets you to a sign-in screen that looks like this. Okay, I don't know if this stuff will be filled in for you already. I suspect that it won't be. And so the first time you sign in, you'll have to put that in. So you just use the same email that you just registered with. Okay, this whole stuff, whatever you put in here, that's the email that you're going to need to put in here. And the password, whichever password you used for this, you're going to need to now put in here. And you're going to click sign in. Okay. When you do that, mine's not going to do this right now, but yours should have a little box that pops up and says, do you want to remember your password? And of course, say yes. That way, every time you come here, you can, you don't have to remember all that. Before you do anything beyond this, I want you to just click right here on the star that is in the browser. What the star does is it bookmarks it. Okay, so we're going to click on that, and it's saying bookmark added. What is the name of the bookmark? It fills in something for you. All you have to do is just write over it, so it's nice and short. BHP, Big History Project. If you'd rather, Jeb. Whatever you want to put there, but make it short so that it fits nicely in your bookmarks bar. Under folder, make sure it says bookmarks bar. If you have something else as a default, change it so that you click this drop down menu and you find where it says bookmarks bar, and you do that, and you click done. And what that is going to do is put a little bookmark in your menu bar here, so that no matter where you are, okay, you can always get back there. Now, if you're not currently signed in order to get to this, what it's going to do is bring you back to that sign in screen first. So you just click sign in and it'll bring you back here. This is the primary, like the home screen for the Big History Project. And if you have gotten here, you are signed in and ready to go. You should see your name, probably your first name and last initial up there. And from there, you're ready to start the course. I'll have more tutorial videos about what to do from this point, but the purpose of this video was simply to get you signed in and ready to go. If you're here, you have done that, you are in our classroom, our Big History classroom, and you're ready to proceed.